The Rotainer pickling lines consists of two interconnected containers, the pickling container and the technical container. They are 3 meters wide and 3 meters 20 high. Depending on requirements, they can have a length of up to 12 meters. The pickling containers are loaded with a rail system and trolleys. A 12-meter-long pickling container can pickle stainless steel components that can be up to 10 meters long, 2 meters wide and 2 meters high. The tempering colors resulting from welding are to be completely removed by pickling. This process creates a new passive layer and makes the stainless steel corrosion resistant again. The pickling container is equipped with a nozzle system in the wall, the ceiling and the floor, ensuring complete wetting on the goods to be pickled. Several additional connections for wetting internal spaces or hard-to-reach areas are also available. The trolleys are smooth-running, allowing components of up to 3 tons per trolley to be moved by hand. In positioning the products, it is very important that it does not scoop up liquids to avoid any carryover of liquids. To start the automatic pickling process, the desired pickling time is entered and the pickling process is started. From now on, the PLC controls the programmatic opening and closing the valves and the activation of the pumps. Due to the many evenly positioned nozzles, a uniform spray is created that ensures optimum wetting of the goods. During the pickling process and the subsequent automatic rinsing and cleaning process, the operator can perform other tasks. The touch panel shows the remaining time of the pickling process. The oxidizing power of the pickle is automatically controlled by a redox measurement and dosing system. The pickling acid and the rinse water are filtered during the tank-to-tank transfer. There are less than 1,000 liters in the pickling acid reservoir. Thus, the system requires not approval under the Federal Emission Control Act. After pickling, the rinse water for the initial rinsing is automatically recycled. Again, the volume of the reservoir is below 1,000 liters. After completion, the initial rinsing, a signal tone is sounded that must be acknowledged by operator. The initial rinsing stops and fresh water is taken from the water supply, which is pumped back into the rinsing water system. During the second rinse, the operator has sufficient time to put on his splash protection suit. After acknowledging the second operator call, the automatic pickling program is finished. All treatment programs are performed wet in wet. The fresh water rinsing burns the pickling fumes in the pickling chamber, which are pumped out with the rinsing water. It is now safe to enter the pickling chamber. Finally, the operator sprays the goods with high pressure, thus removing any adhering dissolved oxides from the surface. The pickled and rinsed goods can now dry in open air and from the passive layer. All tempering colors have been removed and the stainless steel is again corrosion resistant. The Rotainer pickling process provides for the automatic, effluent-free and environmentally responsible pickling of stainless steel components. Optionally, pre-greasing and passivation can be implemented as an additional automatic operation. The Rotainer pickling process is faster and more environmentally friendly than immersion pickling. The compact design makes it also more space-saving, and it is not subject to approval under the Federal Emission Control Act. The modular design makes it mobile, and it also can be leased by the customer as a compact unit.